Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create teams using Microsoft Team. This is my Microsoft Team app. Click on it. Enter ID. Password. This is my account. Now, left hand side there is an option Team. When we click on it, it will show these three teams. First option is Create Team, second is Join Team, and third one is for David. Now, how can we create a team? Just click on Create Team. Select the type class. Name the class. Let's suppose it is BTech CSC 7. Next. Now our team is created. This is my team having name BTech CSC 7. Let's suppose I want to add members. Just click on it. Click on add members. We can add either students or teachers. Let's suppose if we want to add subject teachers, then click on it. Let's suppose I am class in charge. I want to add the subject in charges as well as students. If I want to add teachers, then click on teachers and add email ID. Let's suppose I want to add Miss Sonali Talwar. Click on it and add. Again, if I want to add another member, then click on add member, select teacher or student. If I want to add student, just click on student and ID of student and then close. This is how we can add the members. Now, after adding the members, there is an option general. This is a general view of class. If I want to add the subjects, we have to use option add channel. Click on add channel. Let's suppose I write software engineer, software engineering. There are two options, standard and private. Standard is accessible to everyone on the team. Private means accessible only to the specific group within the team, right? If we want this channel is visible to each and every person, click on it. Click on add. Channels are basically created just to differentiate the subjects, so that if a student want to see the data of software engineering, he can click on it, or she can click on software engineering. If the student wants to see the data of another subject, he can or she can use another channel. However, in general, we can also add upload the class material, or we can also add or send the files here as well. Channels are just to differentiate the subjects. I suppose I add one more channel. Operating system. मीन्स हमने क्या करा, हमने फर्स्टली एक क्लास बनाई है। क्लास मीन्स टीम, एक टीम बनाई है। उसके अंदर टीम के अंदर जनरल पार्ट के अंदर सब ऑप्शंस हैं। यहाँ पे हम सब कुछ अपलोड कर सकते हैं, क्लास मटेरियल अपलोड कर सकते हैं, असाइनमेंट अपलोड कर सकते हैं। बट जो चैनल्स बनाए हैं, चैनल्स आर जस्ट कि बच्चों को कोई डिफिकल्टी ना आए। बच्चे अगर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का देखना चाहते हैं तो उनको यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का ही मटेरियल दिखे, और अगर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का है तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का ही मटेरियल दिखे। दैट मीन्स जो भी सब्जेक्ट टीचर है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का, वो अपना मटेरियल यहाँ पे सेंड करेगा चैनल के अंदर, सो दैट कि स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूजन ना हो कि हमने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का मटेरियल कहाँ से ढूंढना है। अदरवाइज जनरल के अंदर कोई भी टीचर जो मर्जी अपलोड कर सकता है, कोई भी क्लास मटेरियल अपलोड कर सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लेट्स सपोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है वो कोई XYZ टीचर पढ़ा रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स वो टीचर क्या करेगा, क्लिक ऑन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. How can we attach or post the material? First one is there is option attach. From here we can attach the files here. Next one is this is for the just for the formatting purpose. These are the emojis. Next, these are the again used for graphics. And for example, I want to write here some message. We can write this message is sent on this channel, but this message is visible to each and every person, students as well as teacher. Now next option is this is meet now. Meet now, let's suppose I have a lecture at 10 o'clock. That means at 10 o'clock when I click on it, meet now, ये directly जो है वो जो है लेक्चर हमारा शुरू कर देगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हमने we can on or off the video, we can add the subject here. Then when I click meet now, meeting will be selected. दैट मीन्स जो भी इस चैनल या इस क्लास के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स होंगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव एडेड सोनाली तलवार एज ए टीचर, तो चाहे वो टीचर है चाहे वो स्टूडेंट है, एनी वन कैन ज्वाइन दिस मीटिंग. दिस इज द लेट्स सपोज आई एम ऑर्गेनाइजर एंड सोनाली तलवार इज अनदर टीचर है या कोई स्टूडेंट है, दे कैन ज्वाइन द क्लास, दे कैन ज्वाइन द मीट. Now, when we schedule a meeting or when we do the meeting, these are the options. First one is it shows the timings. Second button is used for video. We can on and off the camera. This is for the mute mic button. We can mute or unmute it. Next option is for share. When we click on it, we can share our screen. If I want to share my desktop, we can. If I want to share my window, if I want to share whiteboard, we can share whiteboard. Now next is more action. In this, when we click on it, there are options. The main option is start recording. If I want to start the lecture recording, we can click on it. Let's suppose I start the recording. After some time, when you want to stop the recording, again click on stop recording. Now next option is for main option is end meeting. When we click on it, the meeting will be ended. And next turn off incoming video. If we want to turn the camera on and off, we can do the setting here. And the next is main is show background effects. Let's suppose I want to show my background effects. We can click any of this image. Now, next is raise hand. Let's suppose if you have any doubt, we can raise a hand, but just click on it. The message will be reflected to the organizer. Next option is show conversation. When we click on it, this is just like the chat option. This is just like the chat option. It will give the each and every message here. For example, XYZ participant or ABC participant has joined, has left. All will be shown in meeting chat. Now next is show participant. When we click on it, it will show the list of participants. If I am an organizer, let's suppose if Sonali ma'am attended my meet, so that means this will show in our meeting. That means she will act as a participant in our meeting. If I want to डाउनलोड अटेंडेंस शीट, लेट्स सपोज हमने इस मीट नाउ में एक लेक्चर ले लिया, स्टूडेंट्स ऐड हो गए, आई वांट टू डाउनलोड द अटेंडेंस शीट. हाउ मेनी पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर देयर इन माय मीट? जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस डाउनलोड लिस्ट. download attendance list. Let's suppose I downloaded it, one file was downloaded. And how can we check this attendance list? Click on it, go to the files, downloads, and this is my attendance list. Here we can see the attendance list of students. This was about how can we do meeting directly. I'm going to end the meeting. Let's suppose I stop recording. Now, this message will appear in meeting chat. Recording has stopped. Here we can see our recording of our lecture. Let's suppose I end my meeting. Now this is about how we can use the channels. If I want to attend the lecture of software engineering, just click on meet now. We can start the meet and everyone can join our meet. Now next option is that means each and every teacher can upload their data or can take their lecture in own channel, so that when the students want to see only operating systems lecture or notes, he or she can click on operating system and get the data. And similarly for software engineering. Now next part is journal. In this journal, let's suppose we can only teachers can only upload the data, either files or their lectures in their channel. But if they want to assign the assignment, they have to come in journal column, click on journal, options will be shown. Here also there is option, we can send the messages, we can also upload the class material here. Now next option is how we can assign the assignment. Click on it. Assignment will be uploaded in journal part only by each and every student. There is no option in channels to upload the assignments. When I click on assignment, click on get started. Now this is about this is our assignment options. If I want to create a new assignment, click on create. There are two kinds of assignments can be sent. Either in assignment form, means document can be uploaded, PDF can be uploaded, and second one is quiz. Let's suppose if I want to send assignment, click on it, add title, for example, assignment 1, add instruction if I want to add, then add resource. If I want to upload assignment 1, we can select upload from this device. Let's suppose I uploaded this assignment. Done. And again, next option is point option. If I want to mark or give point to the assignment, 10 marks, 20 marks, and assign to all students. Here we can add due date. That means the due date means the date of submission. Here we can select date and time for submission. Now next is assign. Click on assign. That means this message will be shown. That means assignment 1 is due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. This message is visible to each and every person, even students as well. And when we click on journal, a message is reflect in this journal part, in this channel, that is assignment 1 is uploaded. Students can view this assignment and student can attempt this assignment and upload this assignment. If we want to check the assignment, let's suppose students receive the assignment and uploaded it. This is basically similar to the Google Classroom. When we click on grade, here just it's just showing assignment 1, which is due tomorrow and having points 10. let's suppose any student upload the assignment, then we can here the message will be reflected XYZ or ABC student have given the assignment, and we can check the assignment in the similar way as in Google Classroom. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ जाता है हमारे पास इस स्टूडेंट ने ये असाइनमेंट अपलोड करी है, we can download assignment, we can check the assignment, and we can give points to that assignment as well. If I want to search the student की particular student का data निकालना है, just write down the student name here and we can see the assignments submitted by that student. This is about how to create the assignment. यहाँ पे जब assignment student upload करेगा आपको यहाँ पे file show होगी. This file is uploaded by that student and we can give marks to them, and that marks will be reflected to the particular student. Now, after assignment option, there are next option is post. Post means it will show all the posts. For example, I show the conversation or message I have sent. For example, I have sent hi, it will display here. When I upload the assignment, it will display here. Next part is file. When we click on file, it will show the files that are uploaded by us in this class. For example, when I uploaded the material of operating system, it will show the file here. Whatever जो भी हम यहाँ पे अपलोड करेंगे, it will यहाँ पे वो शो होगा. और अगर कुछ नया अपलोड करना चाहते हैं फाइल्स के अंदर, let's suppose I want to add programs or any another material, another file जो मुझे अपलोड करनी है, I just click on upload and we can select the file and uploading here. That means this file is uploaded. Here we can see the email ID. This is a file that I have uploaded. Similarly, we can download this file, or we can add cloud storage. As we in this, we are using OneDrive in Google, and just like when we use Google Drive, in this Google Drive, in इसमें हमारे पास क्या होता है कि उसमें Google Drive नाम है, इसमें जो हम ड्राइव यूज करेंगे that is OneDrive. Means in this we can use OneDrive, which is similar to the Google Drive in Google. Now, this will show the file uploaded by us. We can upload the file, we can copy the link. If we want to copy the link and send to another person, we can do this. We can download the files as well. Now next is class notebook. We can select the notebook. This is my class notebook. Here I can write anything that I want to write. Hi, hello. That means we can write anything on our class notebook. This is just like MS Word or Notepad we are using. We can write anything on it. This was about class notebook. And then again the same option, that is assignment. We can create the assignment. Either the simple assignment can be uploaded, which is either document file. We can upload document file, PDF. We can do this. And the second part is if I want to create quiz. This is also similar to the Google quiz. When we click on quiz, then click on new form. Click on new quiz. Here, let's suppose I created a quiz demo. If you want to add description, we can add. Now add new. We can add this type of questions. For example, first one show the multiple choice question. Second one shows the text question. This is a rating question and the date. Let's suppose I want the MCQs or multiple choice question. Let's suppose question number 1. This is similar to the Google quiz. I write the option 1, 2, and so on. Next, this is the points. Let's suppose I want to assign the marks. Let's suppose 1 mark question, and this is a 1 mark question. Next is add. If I want to add the text question, we can write here, for example, name of student and no point, so just 0 point. Add. We can also add rating questions like this. We can assign the levels 5, or we can use the symbols here, number or star. This is again the similar option. Require means this will make this question mandatory. Next, add again. If I want to add date, for example, date of registration something, we can add this just like this. That means this is similar to the Google form. We can add different kinds of questions. When we click on preview button, our quiz will be look like this. Question number 1, name, question 3, and question 4. This is the preview of computer. If we want to see how it is visible on mobile, this is a mobile view, just like this. On mobile, our quiz will be visible like this. When we click on back, and this is about the themes. If we want to select the themes, we can select. It will change the background or theme of the quiz. And here the same. Let's suppose when the student attended the quiz, we can get response at this point. In the response button, we can get the response here. As we have no response, so that's why it's showing the message this form does not have any responses yet. We can see the responses individually, as well as if we want to see the responses in Excel form, Excel sheet, just click on open in Excel, and Excel sheet will be open, and we can see our responses in that sheet. And the next part is again send. Send means we can send this. Either we can, let's suppose I copy this link, I send this link on my WhatsApp, I upload this is on my channel, or I can email this link to the students so that they can attempt the quiz. This is similar to the Google quiz. This was about how can create assignment as a quiz. Now grade is again the grade means it's just to grade the students. Student ने जो भी assignment upload करनी है, this assignment will be visible at this point, and we can give point to that student, and that point will be reflected to the student's account. This was about how to deal with teams. The main purpose of making the channel is just so that the students can get the data of their particular subject. Even in general, any teacher can send their data here, but just the use of channels is just to make this video, or the make of this. We can say that when we create a channel, that means students can only visible that particular subject. If student want to see the software engineering data, he can or she can click on software engineering. Otherwise, in general also, any teacher can upload the data of any kind, because these options are same. Here is also a meet now. We can start the meeting in this and just write the topic of the meeting, and students can join this meeting. Now next is, this was about teams, how we can create this team, or how we can deal with this team. This was about it. Next, when we click on assignment, this will show you all the assignment given by the given by you in various classes. Let's suppose I have only class BTech CS7. When I click on it, next it will show all the assignments given to the BTech CSE 7. This is the assignment option. Here we can also directly create the assignment, either simple assignment or quiz assignment. This was about how to deal with Teams. Thank you so much.